Hi, my YouTubers. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday. Oh, this is a project I took out today. This was an old piece of original artwork. And I guess I got damaged somehow. Water damage. You can see it got ripped. I mean, it's just terrible. So what I decided to do was I put it in my copier and I just started reworking it. Drew in a couple of characters there. You can do side by side. You can see the comparison. Yeah, I hate when you get artwork that you work so hard for, and you put in the time, and stuff like this happens. And then there was a memory gone. I'll get a nice little close up on the characters here. I think you can just see the damage. Yeah, it was just sad. It's just a sentimental piece. And I figured, hey, let me give it back some life. I don't know. It ain't nothing like the original, but I think I did pretty good with the colors and trying to match it up. Maybe I'll pull back the camera a little bit. You can see the difference there. Look at all that water damage. It sucks. Let's go back to that nice. Turn the camera now, maybe. I guess the hard part of this was trying to match colors, you know. Well, like I said, I got my old piece of artwork back, so I'm pretty much happy with this. You guys let me know how I did. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.